Hood classics. Hood classics.
Hey, how you doing? This is Kareem Williams from Keeping It Real with Lefty, and today we got another food review. We are at the world famous Culvers, and we are trying out their new fish sandwich. As y'all know, it's Lent coming up, and a lot of fast food places are releasing fish sandwiches, and we got to try them out and let them know what's hitting for. We also got some crinkly fries, as you can see. It's my first time trying Culvers, so I gotta let y'all know what it really is. And here's the fish sandwich. Wow, spilling all over the place. Nice size fish sandwich, as you can see. Nice piece of meat. We got the tartar sauce on there. Guys, I don't really eat tartar sauce, but I am going to try the tartar sauce for you. Please believe it. And then we got an Arnold Palmer. So let's get into the proceedings this evening. We'll start with the French fry. Pretty decent fries, you know. They're not bad. They're not excellent, but they're not bad. Pretty decent. And here's the fish sandwich. They give you a nice big piece of fish. You guys can see that? Nice big piece of fish. Let's take a bite out of this fish sandwich. Let me take another bite, because that might not have been a bite. I would have to say, off a first glance, this ain't it, Chief. This sandwich is not it. It's bland. It has no flavor. It's just, I gotta take something to drink. I got you. This has to be probably the blandest fish sandwich on the market. No. This is an epic fail. Epic fail. 2 thumbs down. Please believe it. Holla at me now. The fries is gonna save the day, but I don't even think I'm gonna finish this. Please believe it, please. Maybe I should come here and try the burgers at another time, but the fish sandwich is not cutting it for me at all. With that said, have a wonderful day. My name is Kareem. I do food reviews. We have a playlist. I'll leave it somewhere around here. Check out the playlist. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Holla, if you can't, then don't bother.
Classics. Hood classics.
We stack dough, yeah, we stack knots.